Today I'm going to be doing something that I've needed to do for a long time. I'm going to put pegboards up on the inside of what is effectively my workshop cupboard to get my tools a little bit better organised. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and my whole purpose is to help you design your life so it works better for you. Doesn't mean you have to do it my way. My way I've just worked out for me, but if I can give you some ideas, just motivate you to think about doing some things that and then find out the way you want to do them, that's all I'm here for. Even better, you are my accountability buddies. You get me to get things done, and it's the best thing for me. So today I'm going to take you into the little home office, show you what I'm going to do and show you how I'm going to do it. Now what I've got here are two of the IKEA pegboards. They're not quite the same as the more standard pegboard. The holes are longer and sort of narrower, but this was so easy. You have the little hooks that go in like that. I've got some of the little bungees, quite a lot of the hooks, and one of these it's like a little angle bracket that's going to be able to hold something that's wider. It's very easy to put up. You simply attach the bar, and you've got leeway for adjustment because you've got potential to slide either way, and then you attach the top of the pegboard through the existing holes, these existing holes here, and it'll be on the other side, and there, and then at the other end you use these little spacers, and you attach it with those at the to block it out the same distance on the bottom. Where I'm going to put them is on the inside of my little workshop door, so it'll be a good spot for it, and I will hang up some of these things, which, as you can see, just doesn't quite stay as tidy as I'd like it to. These are solid doors, they're MDF, so I'll just get my trusty drill and make the little holes. If I put those in, they'll come right out the other side, so that's not going to work. I need something much shorter. See this screw, you put it there with a little bit of space for the bracket, and you can see it will not come through to the other side. So that's the right size screw to use. To choose a drill to drill the hole for the screw to go into that is approximately the same size as the screw, but the important thing here is to measure and mark the length where you will want to drill through to. So if I drill too far, I'll come out this other side of the door, so I need to mark this very carefully on this actual bit to show where I should stop when I'm drilling into the door. I just use a piece of washi tape. I'm busy talking to you, and I've actually just put it up. And I'm just checking to make sure that I've got it level. And then they're in. I'll just slacken that off a wee bit. Tweak it until I've got it level, which is perfect now. Check again. Yes. So the most important little thing to take with you. So this one has gone onto the bracket that I mounted onto the door, and check that it was level. You can just see it coming through here, and then down here these ones, I wonder if I can actually show you, are just marked against the wall. They're just leaning against the wall, but all of the work is done by that bracket, and that bracket is holding everything up. And then I will use these little hooks to hang things on and to organise my tools. And it looks so nice and neat. Now I've just got to do the other side. Now I've marked on the door where the bracket needs to go, and I've checked to see that my marks are level, though it is able to, I am able to adjust it a little afterwards. And you can see that that's where I've marked with washi tape how deeply I want to drill through the door. It'll be the right depth for the screw and not going outside the door through the other side. Just a little tip here that when you're drilling, you can reverse the drill with these little tabs here and here, and one way obviously screws in, and you push the tab the other way and it screws out, which is a nice and easy way to get it out of the hole that you've just drilled without potentially breaking it. Once again, I'll put up the bracket quite loosely and then check for level. When the level comes out again, just loosen them back, both back off a little. This one comes right down, that's nearly, oh actually that is perfect. Just by pulling this one down, that's got it spot on. So I can tighten them both now. Then once again, I'll put the screws through and into the little bracket. As I say, I can get them started very easily by hand. And then I will simply tighten them up with a screwdriver. These have, I don't know if you can see, they have like a little tab on them that stops them from spinning. I'm putting it on the inside between the door and the board and putting the screw in. Of course I have to be trying to hold two at the same time, which makes it awkward. Simple as that. And this is the beginning of reorganising my tool cupboard. Things are now a lot more accessible. My general all-round toolbox is in the front, a few sort of useful things over here. My clamps just sit up there on this rail. For a very small outlay, that is a very useful little pegboard. And that's another of the little jobs done, and I'm really pleased. That's been something I've had to keep redoing, which is really frustrating and doesn't suit me at all. It's a bit of that, you know, everything needs a place and then you can put it in it. Well, that was fine, but everything was just awkward and difficult to access, so I'm happy with that. I'll work on it, obviously. It's not finished. I'll have to get a lot more of the little hooks, and I may in fact adapt it to work with some of the pegboards that are out there, but hey, it's up. Some of it's on there. It's starting to get organised, and I'm happy with that. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to follow along and see what else I'm going to get done in February, then subscribe, and don't forget, give me a comment down below. I love to hear what's going on and how it relates to you, and share with friends and family. I'll be back tomorrow, and I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.